to take the time to go over what you'll see on the test starting Friday. Again, this will be due a week from this Thursday, so double check, make sure I have that right. A week from tomorrow on Wednesday. It is May 20th at midnight. This is going to be due. We have to have grades pretty much done and wrapped up, and it takes a lot of time to correct the test, so I wanted to make sure that you get that submitted no later than Wednesday. I'm going to post this starting Friday. Like I said, you'll have the weekend, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to take the test. It shouldn't take all that long. Okay, so the first question that I want you to know is the basics of each of the organ systems. So what does each system do? So the skeletal system, digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system, nervous system, endocrine system, and muscular system. So just having a basic idea is, what does that system do? So for example, skeletal system, what does it do? What is its main purpose and function? Second question, how do organ systems interact to get oxygen to the cells? So when you think about oxygen, what type of systems are being used and where are they going to? So what are the primary ones and how do they interact to get the oxygen to the cells? The next question is very similar, but it has to do with food. So how do the systems interact with each other to get food to the cells? Now, you know, if you eat some food, it doesn't take that food to the cell. It breaks down the nutrients, and those nutrients go to the cells. So essentially, when they talk about food, how do those nutrients get there? Next question talks about the level of organization on that activity that you did. So if you have a particular part of the body that dies, they're asking you in what order does the system deteriorate? So we talked about the level of organization and structure, the very smallest down to cells to the very biggest, which is the system itself. So you have to number in order. I will tell you there are 4 that you have to number out of 5. Which order do they go into? Next question would be, the one main thing that supplies energy to the cells is what? You're going to have to identify which answer that is. And then next question, if there is an issue, what's affected? So if you have certain symptoms of something, you have to think about what system it goes to and what types of systems do you think would be affected by that. You're choosing the one best answer for that. And then the last question is identifying how the respiratory system and the circulatory system interact in humans. We had a couple of activities that we did on FOSS-WEB for that. So you're just identifying which ones show interaction. So if you think about it, when you breathe in, that's part of your respiratory system, but the air doesn't go straight to the cells in the body. There's a part where it pairs up with the circulatory system, so you're identifying the ones where the circulatory system meets the respiratory system, which happen in the lungs. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to jump on the Zoom today at noon or on Friday as you go through this. If you have any questions, again, this is open book, open notes, so feel free to use your Floss Web activities and all that. Again, it's graded a little bit differently because of that. But feel free to use those things. And again, if you have any questions, reach out, let me know. All right.